All right, we made it to the end. You created your amazing card as beginning, middle, and end. Now, we could actually make a stronger end if we wanted to by closing it all back up, but I'll let you experiment with that on your own. But now we're at the fun part where you get to share your experience with the world, with your friends, with your followers, with your colleagues, whoever. Here's how you do it. So we have our scene, just a reminder, we click on it, it does your whole scene. We have the interactivity, the sound, and I love that, it's my favorite. So it's all ready to go. Next is you need to share it. Now, a couple things before you share it. The best thing to do is make sure you have a clean scene here, because when they place the scene, they're gonna see what is on the screen. When I say place the scene, it means how they kind of like lay it and drop the anchors into the scene. So they'll see a box and they'll see this arrow when they drop the scene. So that's what I mean, this is pretty clean. Now, when you're ready to share it, you come up here to this button here called share. And when you click it, you can name it. So I actually call this sharing, but I can say interactive card. Actually, I'll call it sharing, so then we have it in there. This will create a link. So if you create a link here, it's going to create a link and a QR code. So if you scan this QR code with your phone, it'll actually pull up the experience. And it creates a link here. So if you want to use it on your social channels, that somebody is actually on the phone, it's hard for them to scan a QR code, impossible. So you actually want to copy this link and drop that into wherever you're doing your work from. Or if you hit export here, you can actually export the .real file, which is the whole entire experience inside Aero. So if you did some work and you want to send to somebody else for them to do some work, you actually need the .real file to do that work. So this will export out the .real file. And that is it. That is how you share your interactive AR experience out with the world. So now you know how to do it, start creating cool stuff and share it out. Can't wait to see it.